Guys, I'm making sorry for the noise. I'm trying to balance this light for you. This is what I am. I just grated it. What I am, onions and pepper, and I added salt. I should have used fresh pepper, like raw. How will I call it? Yes, normal raw pepper now. Scotch bonnet, but I don't have presently at home, and let me not gonna be dreaming of this thing. I've bought the yam a long time. I don't know if you saw it in my vlog. Let me not dream of it. So yeah, I decided to do it now. I just finished grating it. It draws, so I'm just going to mix this now and then cut it like akara style inside. Cut it like akara style inside the fry pan hot oil. This is what my son said he wants to eat. It's been long he has taken anything like milk and Milo, so I'm giving him that with ojojo. This is made with water yam. Must have seen that already. Water yam and yeah, some cold chocolate tea. I'm happy for him. As I'm watching their squishmallow, I'm not supposed to watch this in the washing machine, but I said let me just attempt it. There's a setting I did. So on my washing machine, you can just adjust the setting. Let me reduce this light so you see what I'm talking about. So I put it on normal. Then I make sure that this one is normal too. Oh, this lighting. Sorry you guys, let me reduce it again. Oh, there you can see it. So I put this one on normal too. Then because I'm not even supposed to, I put it on normal. Then obviously I put the water to the level it's supposed to be. Then 21 minutes. And the spinning, I put it to spin it twice. And then the intensity of the spin, I put it to low. So that's what I did just to be on the safe side. So there's 51 minutes left. Let me pause it so that you can see it inside. So this is it. It's looking very clean already. Okay, I don't have that time to use my hand, please. So let me continue it. When I bring it out, let's see how it goes. When I bring it out and leave it to air dry a little, although the spinning will dry it, but obviously we still need natural hair to dry it, and I will tell you how it goes. If I damaged it or not. I think it's all washing machine is all about the settings. Some people that say don't wash this inside washing machine. Of course, you shouldn't wash hard objects inside washing machine, or even people wash canvas inside washing machine. Story for another day. So sorry about my lighting going on and off. Oh. Story for another day. But all those people that say don't wash certain shirts inside washing machine, you need to hand wash it. Don't me, I'm not there for that one. I'm not about to stress myself. I believe it's the settings. If you're using a good washing machine like this one is inverter energy saving and it's a smart washing machine. So it has the soak function. Like you can soak your, as you can see it here, you can soak your clothes. You can choose if you want it heavy, normal or light. Then you can choose, depends on what you're washing. It has what are they calling it, it has the normal, wool, duvet, and then silent. So you can also air dry it with any of this intensity. So I think it has to do with your settings. If you get the settings right, I don't think it's going to damage anything you're washing. For my white, I soak it and make sure that the water is not much, and then so that everything can just be concentrated, and then the rest, that's all. So it all depends on the material you're washing. Obviously you need to check the labels for what you're washing. You know, some they will tell you this is nylon, so you need to put in those factors. So I'm not saying you should ignore that, but you can do a whole lot with your washing machine. Just adjust the settings. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'll update you. This is still drying and it looks good. It's still puffy. See that it looks good. Everything is intact. for party packs.
That's
enjoying that touch too much.
So me, I not see the thing we will buy you, but we go manage them.
So are you adding the toy?
No.
How many?
More than a half dozen now. Okay.
Hi.
Sorry, you guys, there's a church beside my house. I think I've said that like countless times. Anyway, so I just made this chicken salad. This piece of chicken, I found, what's it called? Pan roasted it. And I just did stir fry of the chicken. And then this is salad, mayonnaise, and honey. I drizzled onion on it, and I'm having it with malt. Thank God that, sorry about my lighting. Thank God that we can crave and we can eat. I mean, what a privilege that we can satisfy our cravings. So yeah, let me just go and eat this and do some editing work. Talk to you guys later.